Hi, I'm Dr. Christy. Welcome to my Homeopathic Remedy of the Month series. This is a series where I'm going to bring you one of my favorite homeopathic remedies or a remedy that I think you should keep in your medicine cabinet. What I'll be doing is I'll be giving you the name of the remedy, what that remedy can be useful for, and the potencies that I like to keep on hand. Now let's get started. The first remedy that we're going to start with is one of my absolute favorites, and it is Ignatia Amara. Did you think that I was going to start with arnica? Because if you did, you were wrong. Ignatia is such a wonderful remedy. Now, 10 years ago, if you had asked me if I dealt with anxiety on the regular basis, I would tell you no. I didn't feel like I was dealing with anxiety. However, looking back, I had 3 kids. I had a husband, I had a house I had to tend to, I was a business owner, and I was seeing patients in my office. So all of those things were stressful and overwhelming and probably led to a little bit of underlying anxiety. Now, it wasn't until about 6 or 7 years ago that I started having some health problems that kind of made that anxiety start creeping up even more. So this was a remedy choice that my homeopath actually put me on when I sought her for help for some health issues that I was dealing with. So Ignatia can be used for anxiety, for palpitations, for deep grief after losing a loved one. It can be used for sleep issues. It can be used for even constipation or twitching, jerking of the limbs, or if you have an eye that likes to twitch, Ignatia could be good for that. If there's a spasm of the throat where it feels like you have a lump in your throat that you just can't swallow, this remedy would be called for. And it's especially great for sleep when there's great stress or worry. And I see that this remedy is particularly useful most often for a woman, but I have to say that I have seen it work just as well in a man. Now, I love this remedy in a 200C potency. Doesn't mean that the 30C potency won't work. I've had people use a 30C potency and say it does just fine for them, but I personally love this one in a 200C potency. I'd love to know if you have used Ignatia Amara and how you've used it, what you've used it for, and if you had good success with it. So if you did, please leave that information in the comments. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time.